Hey guys, how's it going? Episode 90, Hollywood Bomber, episode 90. Who knew? Well, we're waiting for the cement train to go by, so it's going to be a little while. But anyway, it is currently 90 degrees at 9 o'clock in the morning. It is going to be another broiler here in Texas, but it doesn't snow in the summertime, so it's all good. So another episode 90, big 90. So kind of cool. I'll try to do a wrap up of where we are for the last year and a half, last 90 episodes, 89 episodes, whatever, and give you guys a deal at the tail end of this thing. Long story short, last week we got the instrument panel in, which was huge. We got a couple sheet metal things put in, so that's great. Today we're just got a bunch of different things. I've got some kick panels that we've got to fabricate. Hopefully get some things alodined. We've got some, not CHT, oil temp cabling. Hopefully we'll get that in the aircraft. What the heck else did we get? We got a couple other things. So anyway, we got some parts in, and we're starting to nail this thing down. So big thing this week is hopefully I can tell you at the end of this thing that we've got that sheet metal rib repair done. But it's just so miserably hot in there, but Joey and Katrina have been doing a huge job, so hopefully we'll help them out a little bit and we'll get that knocked out. But that's about it. We'll see you in the hangar. Let's see what Joey's working on up on the wing. This is the repair we've been chasing for a long time, and Joey and Katrina have been working on it, and now he's kind of in the final throes of getting this thing done. So coming up here, and I'm gonna go behind the microphone. Okay, man, what are you working on?
Kind of wrapping up this this rib repair.
Yeah.
It's a great day.
You got the
that
deal.
behind us.
You got the deal down underneath, which oh, look at that! I can actually see something. But you got that done, and then this is just finishing the icing on the cake.
Yep.
Okay, cool. So we're putting fuel tank in next week. I think we're going to be putting fuel tank in.
Really?
Yeah. Well, we got to do fabric patches,
Okay.
but then I think a fuel tank goes in. So I need to get off and get on with the fuel tank covers. That looks pretty good. Okay. So we're going to shoot these first,
Yeah.
and then those will max. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Back to it. Okay, we got Blake and Dallas up working on the nose. Dallas had put a bunch of new aluminum tubing in, and Blake's back helping us getting on stuff going. So you're doing what, pitot, the aluminum tube clamping?
Yep. So this is a pitot static line, pilot side, and we have a co-pilot pitot and a reservoir line that we're going to put back on, and we're basically just doing anti-chafe. So
we need to find some rubber hose. I got to find that rubber hose.
Yep. Some more.
Hopefully we'll have another one of those, and then get it going. And we relocated the reservoir. I think Scott recommended we did that.
Yeah, it was down here, and we moved it to the front so that when the nose is on, we can access it from the top.
Yeah, that'd be easy peasy. Look at it.
Yep.
They got it. They're knocking it out. Okay, we're down low here, and Maggie is working on. What are you working on, Maggie?
We don't talk about that.
she's got wires. She's got wires wrapped all around her. But those I think are old heater wires, and just some old stuff that Mike wanted out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how's it going?
It's a really fun job. It's probably my favorite thing to do.
Are they wound into stuff or clamped to stuff? Or?
They are.
Oh.
Yeah. Especially this guy.
Oh, really?
So.
And that came from that other compartment over there?
It did.
Okay, so it's going all through the, I guess, along the wing spur?
Yes.
Now, are they stuck in the harness, or can you pull them out?
Well, so I was able to get one out pretty easily once I found it.
Yeah.
But this one is clamped to something, and I can't quite see.
Okay, now that may be one of the deals where you have two wire numbers.
Yes.
And it may be bolted or clamped to, or going to a thing. So, see, you may have to go back and you may find some kind of snog bolted to a bulkhead or something, electrical thing, which will determine what that is. That may have to come out too. But just keep working it. Just keep working it.
Gosh, thanks for this job.
Maggie might be getting a little snarky.
It's hot. And I'm tired of this grandpa.
Hey guys, another episode of Hollywood Bomber. So, what have we done this week? Well, big thing is we got the Joey was able to get the big structural repair pretty well finished. We just have some Cherry Max rivets to put in. That's over on the other side of the airplane. We'll talk about that in a minute. We've got the fuel tank right here, and the fuel tank will be going in probably next episode, our 4th and last fuel tank. After that, we can start putting fuel in this thing. So that's huge advancement. Nothing really going on in the cabin. Everything's pretty well set for now. We set the instrument panel last week. You saw that last episode, so that's good. In the wing root area, Richard is starting to replace all these rib nuts with nut plates. The rib nuts just end up spinning, and this is going to be real hard to get to once the wing's on, so we're putting these, replacing all these with nut plates. So that's a good thing. Had to do a little chafe repair, so that's done. That was all acid etch iodine and installed, so that's good. Other stuff in the engine compartment, I don't think we had a whole lot of stuff going on there. On the cowls, I believe Bruce and Mike, Tulsa Mike, were getting the cowl flaps, starting to get those sorted. So we got to get some bushing material, and then those are going to be going in. Finally got the external power door. That's drilled, and that'll be shot in next time. So that's just something I hadn't gotten around to. Around the other front of the airplane, again, I think I said Maggie was pulling some wires. Big Mike had identified a bunch of wires, dead wires to be removed and all that. So got things blowing around in here and got the door open. So anyway, we've got some wires dangling. Next time Mike comes in, he has to go into the junction boxes. Maggie took the covers off the junction boxes inside the nacelles. We'll take those covers, and they're all full of gunk and all that. We'll get those, strip those, clean those, repaint those. Those will go back in. So the junction box are open up for Mike, and he'll have to do some re-terminating there. It's taking out old wiring for the oil temp sensing and the heater system and all that. So that's what's going on there. Up in the cabin area, or the cockpit area, Blake and Dallas were doing clamping of the pitot-static lines, new manifold pressure line hoses. Those are in place. Brakes, the brake master cylinder, getting that all plumbed in and sorted for good. So that's all getting done. Next episode, Big Mike's going to be coming in and doing more dressing of the electrical harness. And Maggie and Dallas were in here getting some of those dead wires out all the way up to the cockpit. So that's going on. We've got one here. Again, it'll be terminated or removed next time. So that's great stuff going on. We'll go move around here a little bit. Up in the wing where we've got some cleaning supplies, that's our structural repair, and Joey and Katrina were working on that, and it's in a finished place. We've got about a dozen Cherry Max rivets to put in. It's just a blind installation, so we're going to put those in next episode. Some fabric on some lightning holes. Hopefully I'll get that this week, and then the fuel tank can go in. So that's all going to be, that's a huge milestone. Get the fuel system in for good. And then this week I'll probably also be painting, I meant to do it last week, get the fuel tank covers painted and the stencils and all that marked on them. So that's happening. Katrina got a zillion, I would say about 300 some odd screws, all cleaned up, prepped, ready for paint. So they'll be going into paint this week. All the hardware for putting the tank covers on will be color matched and done before they go together. So that's huge stuff. So it's looking good. Nothing much in the front of the engine. I think we had some clamping. I believe we still have a little bit of clamping that needs doing, but short of that, pretty good shape. Tulsa Mike was able to get the tubes. You saw the tubes last time. I did not have them ready for him to reinstall this episode. It just got busy this week. So we've got the tubes that he harvested. They've all been stripped, cleaned, and iodine. Now I've got to get those in prime. Hopefully get those this week, and those will be going back in and get our fresh air system all sorted out. So that's great stuff. On another note, on the wings, we'll come over here. On the wings, we took the wings, we moved these over here a while back, and we had the wings up on soul horses. We're waiting for the fuel cells to get installed, the fuel bladders. But in the meantime, we had some folks, some new helpers, and I've got to say I missed their names, but we've got some new volunteers, and they're in the process of cleaning these wings and waxing them, getting them all shiny. In addition, Joey went and removed, we had some stuck nut plates with screws drilled out, so those have all been removed. We'll get those new nut plates in. It's a nut plate ring. Get the new nut plates on them this week, and then get that part riveted back in, and then that'll be set. We've got the covers in paint, so they're going. We're gonna get some of these old markings, pull these off, and then we'll get the new stencils put on for fueling. So that's going on. So the wings are slow going, but that's what's happening, and we're getting a striping, it looks like. But the big deal is Hollywood Bomber project is doing great. Again, the project is Hollywood Bomber. The channel is HangaRatz. I'm Bill. And again, on behalf of the crew, thanks so much for watching and all that. This plane will fly. Here, probably, we're hoping to run engines in about a month. Again, we're going to get that fuel tank in. That was one of the linchpins. And then these wings are pretty well, as soon as we get that one tube in the wing root, these wings are ready to go on. So we got a bunch of big stuff happening here real soon. So that's what's happening in this episode. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. This plane will fly.